is lung respiratory system of women is lungs, where the exchange of gases take place. All those organs come under the respiratory system which help exchange of gases are nasal passage, pharynx, larynx, voice box, trachea, bronchioles, lungs, nasal passage. Main function related to sniffing. Its inner cavity is lined without mucous membrane. This secretes approximately half liter of mucus every day. Prevent particle of dust, bacteria or other small organism from entering into the body, and it makes the air weight entering into body and equalize it with temperature of body. Pharynx, it is situated behind the nasal cavity of common passage for both respiratory or digestive. Larynx open into interior wider part. Trachea called larynx. Opening is called glottis. Cartilaginous flap-like structure over the glottis called epiglottis. Food during swallowing. Pair of vocal cord present inside the larynx in producing sound. Trachea, from the base of larynx, a tube of a rises passes through the neck, reaches up to middle of thorax. Trachea. It is supported by C-shaped cartilaginous ring. Internally, trachea is lined by the ciliated and mucus secreting epithelium. Bronchi. Thoracic region. Trachea divided into two branches, bronchi, or each bronchus enter into the lung of its own side. After entering into lung, bronchus of each side redivide into very fine tube bronchioles. Finally, bronchioles give rise alveoli. Alveoli are site of gaseous exchange. Lungs. There is a pair of lung thoracic cavity. Color is pink red. Look like a sponge. Right lung is larger in comparison to left lung. Each lung surrounded by membrane which is called pleural membrane. There is a network of blood capillaries. Oxygen enter into the blood and CO2 release from blood. External respiration, transportation of gas. Internal cellular respiration. External respiration, breathing or exchange of gases. In lungs, air is taken and given out at certain rate is called breathing. Mechanism breathing. Inspiration. At this stage, air from environment enter into lungs through nasal passage. Due to increase in dimension thoracic cavity, a low pressure is generated in the lungs. Air continue to enter until the pressure of air inside the outside of the body become equal. Diaphragm flatten during inspiration, downward movement. Expiration process, air comes out. Lungs are relaxing the diaphragm. Air inhaled 79% oxygen, 21% exhaled में 79 नाइट्रोजन, 17 और 4 कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड और 0.0. Every day, approximately 400 ml water is excreted out through breathing. Maximum volume of air which can inhaled by human is called total lung capacity. Exchange of gas take place inside the lung. Gases exchange take place on the basis of concentration of gradient through the normal diffusion. Exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide gases take place due to their difference in a partial pressure. Direction of diffusion is both sides. Diaphragm arch during normal expiration. Hiccup generally occur due to forceful downward shifting of the diaphragm. Upper part of the respiratory tract is provided the small hair-like structure called cilia. Transportation, the process of reaching of gases, oxygen and carbon dioxide from lungs to the cell of body and coming back again to the lungs called transportation of gas. Transportation of oxygen take place by hemoglobin present in blood. Transportation of CO2 from cell to lung take place by hemoglobin only in the extent of 10 से 20%. Take place through circulation of blood by mixing with plasma. CO2 form carbonic acid after the mixing in plasma. Transportation of 7% carbon dioxide take place in the form of bicarbonate. 70% of carbon dioxide in the form of bicarbonate is transported. It mixes with potassium, sodium and blood form potassium bicarbonate or sodium bicarbonate. Internal respiration. Inside the body, gases exchange take place between the blood and tissue. fluid, which is called internal respiration. Gaseous exchange in lung is called external respiration. Cellular respiration, glucose oxidized by oxygen reached into cell. Respiration, anaerobic respiration, oxidation take place in absence of oxygen. Only two ATP molecules are produced from one molecule of glucose. Final product anaerobic respiration in animal tissue like skeletal muscle is lactic acid in animal. In yeast and certain bacteria, ethyl alcohol or ethanol produce C6H12 or C2OH और ethyl alcohol बनेगा 36 ATP. Aerobic aerobic respiration take place in presence of oxygen. Glucose take place result CO2 और H2O. ग्लाइकोलाइसिस साइटोप्लाज्म में होगा कर्व साइकिल माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया में. ग्लाइकोलाइसिस स्टडी फर्स्ट डन बाय glycolysis present both type of respiration aerobic and anaerobic take place in cytoplasm. Decomposition of one glucose in glycolysis of 2 atom of pyruvic to a start process 2 atom ATP adenosine triphosphate process 4 atom ATP reached ATP obtained. Result glycolysis 2 atom of ATP obtained, that is 16,000 calorie energy obtained. There is no need of oxygen in glycolysis, hence this process is similar in both anaerobic and aerobic respiration. 4 molecule of hydrogen formed which is used in converting NAD or NADH to enzyme take place part of glycolysis. Krebs cycle, hence curve 37. Citric acid cycle, tricarboxylic cycle completed inside mitochondria in presence of a specific enzyme breakdown of pyruvate into CO2 or H2O. 2 molecule of each ADP or ATP formed. 4 pair of hydrogen atoms are released. Incomplete 2 molecule of pyruvic acid produce 12 molecule of carbon dioxide. In our system, maximum number of ATP are formed during the Krebs cycle. Production of energy by oxidation of pyruvic acid of 1 molecule of ATP, 5 molecule of NADH or 1 molecule of NADH2. From 1 molecule of NADH 3 ATP, 1 molecule of NADH 2 molecule of ATP obtained. From 1 molecule pyruvic acid 18 molecule of ATP formed. From 1 molecule of glucose 2 mole of pyruvic acid formed. 36 molecule of ATP released. During glycolysis 2 molecule of ATP obtained. Hence during oxidation of 1 molecule of glucose to 38 ATP. Respiratory substance, carbohydrate, fat, protein, main respiratory substance. First oxidation of glucose take place after consumption of carbohydrate and fat. Oxidation of protein start if energy is required. Respiration is catabolic process. Weight of the body reduce करता है. Respiration control medulla oblongata. Cyanide poisoning caused death, and second due to breaking down the electron transport chain system. Eustache chain tube, equalizing the process pressure on either side of eardrum. Retina of eye process information gathered by the photoreceptor cell and send it to brain to decide what the picture is. A part of eye which is responsible for conversion of image on object into neutral signal is optic nerve. 5 nutrient में है कार्बोहाइड्रेट, मोनोसेक्राइड, डाइसेक्राइड, स्वीटेज शुगर, फ्रुक्टोज है, ग्लूकोज टाइप ऑफ हेक्सोज शुगर है. मोनोसेक्राइड्स में ट्राइओज, टेट्रोज, पेंटोज, हेप्टोज. मोनोसेक्राइड ओलिगोसेक्राइड में माल्टोज, सुक्रोज, लैक्टोज. डाइसेक्राइड पॉलीसेक्राइड में है ग्लाइकोजन, स्टार्च, सेलुलोज, छिथिन. फंक्शन ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट फ्यूल का काम करता है. प्रोसेस ऑफ रिस्पायरेशन, ग्लूकोज ब्रेक इनटू CO2 एंड H2O, रिलीज एनर्जी. 1 ग्राम ग्लूकोज 4.2 किलो कैलोरी देता है. immediate energy production in cell, glucose करता है. Nucleic acid are polymer of nucleoside or nucleotide. Pentose sugar. Lactose of milk is formed from glucose and galactose. Glucose, formation of fat and amino acid. Carbon skeleton monosaccharide, formation of fatty acid, thin cellulose. Source of carbohydrate: wheat, rice, maize, sweet potato. Protein: J. Berzelius. Protein: nitrogen is present in protein in addition of C or HO. Nitrogen is essential for protein synthesis. 20 types of amino acid are necessary. 12 synthesized by body itself and 8 remaining 8 obtained by food. Essential amino acid. Protein: 3 types of simple protein. Only amino acid. Albumins, globulins or histone. Conjugated protein, having some another chemical compound addition to amino acid. Chromoprotein, glycoprotein. Derived protein, partial digestion and natural protein. Its hydrolysis, peptone or peptide or proteinase. Animal protein called first class protein because it contains all essential amino acid. Egg contain all essential amino acid. Function protein का take part in the formation of cell, protoplasm and tissue. Kwashiorkor lack of protein से हो जाता है. और Marmos disease. Human nail are made of protein. Keratin. Soybean richest source of protein. Keratin, the protein which protects epithelial cell. Fat, ester, an ester of glycerol and fatty acid. 923 calorie. Energy balance 1. फंक्शन क्या है? प्रोवाइड एनर्जी. ये सब तो होगा. विटामिन FG हॉपकिंस. विटामिन सॉल्युबल BC और विटामिन सॉल्युबल इन फैट ADEK. फंक विटामिन को पॉइंट किया था. ए रेटिनॉल, कलर ब्लाइंडनेस, जीरो पैथोलेमिया, नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस. मिल्क, एग, चीज, ग्रीन वेजिटेबल, लीवर ऑयल और कैरोट से मिलता है. विटामिन B1, थायमिन, बेरी ग्राउंडनट, रैपसीड, ड्राइड चिली, पल्सेज, लीवर, एग, वेजिटेबल. B2, राइबोफ्लाविन, क्रैकिंग ऑफ स्किन, रेड डिश आई, क्रैकिंग एट कॉर्नर ऑफ लिप, माउथ अल्सर. मीट, ग्रीन वेजिटेबल, मिल्क. B2. B3, नियासिन और निकोटिनामाइड, whitening of hair, mentally retardedness, dermatitis pellagra. Meat, milk, nut, tomato, sugarcane. Vitamin B5, pentothenic, insomnia, burning, felt, irritability. Meat, ground potato, tomato, nut, leafy vegetable. B6, pyridoxine, anemia, skin disease, depression, liver, meat, grain, rice bran. B7, biotin, paralysis, body pain, hair falling. Meat, egg, liver, milk, nut, whole grain. B11, folic acid, anemia, dysentery, pulse, liver, egg. Cobalamin. B12, vitamin B12, cyanocobalamin, pernicious, anemia, jaundice, terwile, glutamic ankle edema. Meat or milk, folic acid 9, anemia or diarrhea, pulses, liver, vegetable, egg. C, ascorbic acid, scurvy, swelling of gums, bleeding gum. Lemon, orange, tomato, sour substance, chili, sprouted grain. Calciprol. D, decate in children or osteomalacia in adult, osteoporosis. Fish, liver, oil, milk, egg. E, tocopherol, less fertility. Leaf vegetable, milk, butter, sprouted wheat, vegetable oil, wheat germ. K, follicular, non-clotting of blood. Tomato, soybean oil, green vegetable, alfalfa. Cobalt, vitamin B12. Synthesis of vitamin cannot be done by the cell of body fulfill containing food. D and K take place in our body. Bleeding gums. D. Calcium mainly occur in absence of vitamin D, deficiency of fluoride, mottling of teeth, presence of excess fluorine, fluorosis. To reduce decay of to most toothpaste contain fluoride. Water. Vitamin A stored in liver. Vitamin K synthesized in our colon by bacteria. Vitamin D2 ergocalciferol. Amla digest in vitamin C. Most of vitamins are not synthesized in human body. Use of polished rice. Diet very. Water. 65 or 70% weight of body is water. Our body is by sweating or vaporizing. Balanced diet. अब देखेंगे ह्यूमन डिजीज लास्ट है। प्रोटोजोआ से मलेरिया, पायरोफोबिया, स्लीपिंग सिकनेस, डायरिया और कालाजार। बैक्टीरिया से टेटनस, कोलेरा, टाइफाइड, ट्यूबरक्लोसिस, डाइपेथेरिया, फ्लैग, whooping cough, न्यूमोनिया, लेपर्जी। डिजीज देख रहे थे ना, whooping cough, न्यूमोनिया, लेपर्जी, गनेरिया, स्पाइली फिश, ट्रेकोमा। वैक्सीन है डीपीटी 1 ईयर में चाइल्ड को डाइपेथेरिया, टेटनस का, बीसीजी, बैसिलस क्लैमिटा, ग्लोरिया, ट्यूबरक्लोसिस के लिए ओपीवी पोलियो, ओरल पोलियो वैक्सीन, चाइल्ड फ्रॉम 2 मंथ से 6 ईयर का। लुइस पास्चर डिस्कवर्ड द वैक्सीन ऑफ रेबीज एंड पेस्टराइजेशन ऑफ मिल्क रोटावायरस वैक्सीन टू प्रिवेंट डायरिया। ट्यूबरक्लोसिस को वाइट प्लेग बोलते हैं, बर्ड फ्लू। डिजीज अफेक्ट ह्यूमन बीइंग एंड द स्प्रेड थ्रू पोल्ट्री। एंथ्रेक्स डिजीज इज कॉज बाय बैक्टीरिया और डिजीज कॉज बाय वायरस। एड्स, डेंगू फीवर, पोलियो, इन्फ्लुएंजा, चिकन पॉक्स, स्मॉल पॉक्स, गोइट, मीसल, हेपेटाइटिस और जॉन्डिस, रेबीज, मेनिंगिटिस, हर्पीस। इलीजा टेस्ट एड्स के लिए टेस्ट ऑफ HIV वायरस। पेसमेकर, स्मॉल डिवाइस प्लेस्ड इन चेस्ट टू कंट्रोल एबनॉर्मल हार्ट बीट। कंप्यूटेड CT स्कैन यूज्ड टू इन्वेस्टिगेट एबनॉर्मल फंक्शनिंग ऑफ बॉडी। ECG इलेक्ट्रोकार्डियोग्राफ हार्ट के लिए। EEG इलेक्ट्रोइंसेफेलोग्राम ब्रेन के लिए। राइनोस्कोप एग्जामिन द नोज। कॉनकेव मिरर डेंटिस्ट यूज करता है टीथ के लिए। MRI मैग्नेटिक रेजोनेंस इमेजिंग फाउंड आउट एनी एबनॉर्मलिटी इन होल बॉडी। ऑटो एनालाइजर यूज टू एग्जामिन ग्लूकोज, यूरिया एंड कोलेस्ट्रॉल। डिजीज कॉज बाय प्रोटोजोआ, डायरिया। डिजीज कॉज बाय हेलिमेंथस फिलेरिया। डिजीज कॉज बाय फंगस, अस्थमा, एथलीट फूट, स्कैबीज, बॉल्डनेस, रिंगवर्म। सम अदर डिजीज। बस इतना ही करते हैं।